As Christmas approaches, everyone in the factory is busy with orders and sending warm holiday wishes to the world. When night falls, the factory enters a state of silence, but a kind of green power is quietly activated, bringing a miraculous festive atmosphere to the workshop. In the workshop at night, Santa Claus uses a forklift to complete an efficient and powerful global delivery mission, and all of this is inseparable from the support of green energy. The miracle of Christmas comes from every busy hand. Green energy powers all of this, bringing everyone surprise and warmth during the holiday.